All right, kindergartners, today for math, you're going to need your train template and you're going to need a 7-stick. And I would like you to slide your paper into your dry erase mat, and also you're going to need a dry erase marker. So we learned a lot about writing number sentence yesterday and we practiced some, and today we're going to continue practicing. And today we have these cubes. And I would like you to pretend that each cube is a train car. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to count how many train cars you have. Once you're done, I want you to write that right here for me, okay? So how many train cars did you have? Yeah, you should have 7 train cars in your train today. We're going to pretend, okay, that each of those little cubes is a car, and I'm actually going to snap our train car. I'm going to snap it right here. I would like you to make your train look like Miss Schneider's train. All right. So we have 7 is the same as, what is it the same as? Yeah, 5 and 2. Okay. When we write this number sentence, it tells us together we have 7 train cars, and we broke it into 5 and 2. Okay. We can say 5 and 2 equals how much altogether? 7. Very good. The 5 tells us that we had 5 train cars, and then we had 2 train cars, and together we have 7. All right. So we're going to do this again, but we're going to break it apart differently, okay? Are you ready? So go ahead and erase your mat. So count how many we have. If you don't need to count and you know, go ahead and write it right here. Yep, we still have 7. And this time we're going to break it like this. See if you can fill in our number sentence. Yeah, okay. So we have 4 cubes and how many? 3. Very good. So 7 is the same as 4 and 3. All right. 7 altogether. We broke it into 4, and the other part is 3. All right, we're going to go ahead and do another one. Put that train together. All right, are we ready? Ready and break. See if you can fill it out. How many did we have all together? And then what are our parts? Very good. 6 and 1. All right. So now what I want you to do is I want you to do this on your own. So you're going to take your train cars, okay? You're going to count how many you have, write that all together, how many altogether right here, and then you're going to snap it wherever you want, and then you're going to write your parts, okay? And then read your number sentence. Okie doke. So I'd like you to practice that 3 or 4 times, and then I'm going to meet you back here in a little bit to go over your worksheet, okay? All right, kindergartners, we're going to go ahead and get started with our problem set. We're on lesson 14. So go ahead and get out this paper, and I'm going to need you to get out a pencil. We're going to walk through it together, okay? So our instructions say, or directions, say there are 7 animals. There are 5 giraffes and 2 elephants, okay? So we need to fill out our number bond and fill out our number sentence. So the first thing is, how many animals do we have all together? Go ahead and count. So we have 7. So we're going to put 7 in the hole. And then we have 2 groups. We have how many giraffes? So we're going to write 5 giraffes and how many elephants? 2 elephants. Now in our number sentence, it's missing how many altogether. So we can look up here and find out how many. We have 7. So we're going to write 7 right there. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. At the store, there was 1 big bear and 6 small bears. There were 7 bears. So in our number bond, we have how many big bears? How many little bears? How many bears altogether? Then down here in our number sentence, they're missing how many altogether. Go ahead and write that. Then down here, it just gave us pictures. So there are 2. What are there 2 of down here? 2 triangles. 5 what? 5 circles. They want to know how many altogether. Okay, so let's fill out our number bond. We have 2 triangles and 5 circles. How many altogether? Go ahead and count them. Then you're going to write that number here. And how many altogether needs to go right there too. Then on the back, we're going to do something very similar, only this time we're dealing with our cubes, okay? There are 4 gray cubes and 3 white cubes. It says 4 gray cubes and 3 white cubes are 7 cubes. So they need to know how many altogether, and then they want to know how did we break that up. Then down here it says color those cubes to match, okay? So they have 4 gray and 3 are white, and then fill in our number sentence. How many altogether, and how many are gray, and how many are white. Then down here you can create your own story, okay? All right, kindergartners, you have a wonderful day.